My name is Fikri Baihaqi. I'm from English Education Department. I'm gonna tell you a story. The title is The Wishing Tree. A lone traveler was passing through a desert on a hot day. He was tired, feeling thirsty, and hungry too. At least he needed a shady spot to rest for a while. The big leafy tree came into view at some distance away. He felt glad and said to himself, "Had I water to drink now?" Yes, he found a tumbler full of cold water on the ground right in front of him. He sat down there and started sipping the water. Then he wished, "Had I something to eat right here?" Immediately, a variety of dishes appeared before him. He was under the shade of Kalpa, Vrishka, magical tree. That was the wishing tree. Whoever was under it would have whatever he wished for. The traveler enjoyed the delicious food. He felt drowsy. He wished for a nice bedstead. It was granted. He stretched himself comfortably in the soft mattress. His legs ached as he had walked a long distance. He hoped that someone would massage his feet. Yes, a young lady appeared near his feet. She started massaging his feet and legs. He soon fell asleep. After a long time, he woke up. The lady was still sitting beside him. He now started thinking differently. How can things happen like this? Can I have things I wish for by merely asking for them? Is it something kind of a trick played by a magical demon? He doubted. Oh, a true demon appeared in the place of the nice lady. The demon was laughing mischievously at him. The traveler said to himself, "Is he going to eat me up?" Within no time, the demon started leaping at him with his mouth wide open. The frightened traveler took to his heels and ran away. He ran and ran for long. When he looked back, there was no demon. What is all this? Did things happen, or was all matter a dream? The traveler started wondering, perhaps the Almighty grants what one has in mind, and he resumed his journey.